Hello, friends. Welcome to TechGetter, your go-to channel for all things tech. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to connect a local printer to Windows 10 or 11. But before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss out on any of our future updates. Now, let's get started. First, head over to the Windows search menu and type Devices. You'll see the Devices and Printers option pop up. Go ahead and click on it. Next, select Add a Printer. Your computer will automatically begin searching for available printers, so be sure your printer is powered on and properly connected. If your printer doesn't appear on the list, don't worry. Just click the printer that I want isn't listed, and you'll be given a few alternative methods to add it. Whether you have an older model, a local printer with manual settings, or even an IP address-based or Bluetooth printer, there's an option for you. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on adding a local printer. Once you choose this option, you can either use an existing port or proceed to set up a new one. If you have the driver disk, make sure you insert it and specify its location for the driver installation. Now, select the manufacturer and model of your printer from the list. Once you've made the right selection, you can change the name of your printer if needed, then hit Next. The installation process will begin. In the end, it's a good idea to print a test page to confirm that everything is set up correctly. If the test goes smoothly, congratulations, your printer is now successfully connected to your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a fantastic day.